The Spectrum Cable Box error code IA01, also written as 1A01, signifies a no signal or startup failure. This means your cable box isn't receiving a signal from Spectrum. IA01 indicates the box cannot receive a signal from Spectrum. First, power cycle your cable box by unplugging it for 60 seconds, then reconnect it. Next, check the coaxial cable connections at both the box and the wall to ensure they are secure and undamaged. A loose connection is a frequent culprit. Finally, use the guide button trick. Rapidly press the guide button twice on your remote. This is a Spectrum-specific method to refresh the signal and can often resolve the issue quickly. By September 2025, Spectrum has seen a drop in IA01 errors because of expanding fiber optic networks, but you may still get this error. If basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve the IA01 error, ensure your Spectrum account is active and all bills are paid up. Service interruptions can cause signal problems that trigger this error. Use the Spectrum app for remote diagnostics and firmware updates. The app can automatically scan for issues and apply fixes without needing to visit your equipment. For signal-related IA01 problems, check cable splitters. Avoid overloading them. Limit to 2 to 3 devices per splitter to prevent signal loss. Overloaded splitters can weaken the signal reaching your cable box. Use high-quality RG6 cables for better signal transmission. These cables have thicker shielding that reduces interference and helps prevent IA01 errors from occurring. Position your cable box away from heat sources and obstructions like walls or metal objects. Poor placement can cause overheating or signal interference that leads to IA01 errors. Clean cable ports regularly to remove dust and debris. Dirty connections can weaken the signal and contribute to IA01 errors over time. As of 2025, Spectrum uses AI-driven support in their app to automatically diagnose and resolve IA01 errors. Try using the app's AI assistant for quick fixes without human intervention. Confirm your Spectrum TV services are properly configured and activated. The IA01 error may push you toward using the Spectrum TV app or streaming services instead of traditional cable boxes.